guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. Today I will be sharing my skincare routine. Now, skincare is very important to me, but now that I'm older, I do get a little bit more frequent breakouts than I did when I was younger, so I just like to stay on top of it. Right now, I'm not really dealing with too much acne, more so acne scars that I'm trying to get rid of because I am a picker, y'all. I have a bad habit of picking and causing scarring and dark marks. And then I do have some discoloration that I want to obviously get together. So right now I am just clipping my hair out of my face so that my curls and stuff do not get wet, and then we're gonna start with the skincare routine, and I will also be showing some other products that I would recommend. So recently I have started using the Thayers pH Balancing Daily Cleanser, which is made with aloe vera, and it retails for $14.99. But some other cleansers that I've used and liked are the Mielle Face Scrub Cleanser. This is nice and gentle for like an everyday wash. And then the Urban Hydration Castor and Shea Face Wash as well. Again, nice, lightweight, and just perfect for daily cleansing. So after I wet my face, I literally just take one pump of this. It has a nice light scent of aloe vera. And as you guys can see, it definitely does not have a lot of suds, which I love suds and lather, whether it's my shampoo or face cleanser, but I don't mind it with the face cleanser. And it's basically supposed to gently remove dirt and oil from your skin, also help to moisturize and smooth, and help with uneven skin tone. So I am just going to work this all into my skin all around. As I mentioned, I don't really have like acne prone skin, but I definitely have very dry skin and sensitive. So I need something that's gentle enough to, cleanse and get rid of dirt, but also that's going to not leave my skin super dried out. So now you just see me using this little silicone face scrubber. I think I got this off Amazon or something. It was real cheap. I actually want to invest in one that works a little better, but for now this gets the job done. I just use this to kind of get on in there a little bit deeper if I can. So I'll just use that and then I will rinse, and my skin just feels really nice. It's not too dried out. It's just nice, gentle, and yeah, I like it. So now I am going to go in with my little cotton pad. I like to use the one that has the exfoliation side. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I have been using the Dickinsons Pore Perfecting Toner for years, you guys, until I got a hold of Thayers, which I will show you in a minute. So I still am trying to use that bottle up. I also have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner, which I used to use this maybe a couple years ago. This is really nice as well. This is something that I try to alternate and use. But I also have these Thayers facial toners, which are also made with witch hazel. So they did send me their unscented witch hazel toner, and then I have their lemon one, which I'm going to use today. So I like to go in with a toner after I cleanse my face because it just gets deep on in there and gets dirt that you didn't even know was still on your face. So this one specifically, like I said, it's lemon, so it has that nice lemony scent. I love it. I think it's nice and fresh. And this one specifically is the blemish clearing toner. So it's supposed to help speed relief from blemishes and treat them. It's alcohol free. It's made with aloe vera and tea tree oil and salicylic acid, which helps to treat clogged pores. So yeah, y'all, this stuff is really good. It retails for $14.99. So once I'm done with my Dickinsons Witch Hazel. I think I will just stick to the Thayers because I do like it. But Dickinsons is really, really good as well, and has done I can't talk, y'all, has done me good over the years. So next, I am using a face mask. So I have some masks. I have a whole bunch of masks. These ones are from Glow Recipe. I have the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which is really good, and their Pore Tight Facial Clay Mask, which is really good. So those are some options. But then I have some from Urban Skin RX. I have their Acne and Blemish mask, and then I also have this purifying 2-in-1 pumpkin pore mask, which I've been using for a couple years now, and I will be using in this video. So this is made with kaolin, bromelain, salicylic acid. It's supposed to help smooth, clarify, and improve appearance of pore size. It has a nice like pumpkin spice smell, and I'm just using this little facial mask tool to put it on my face so I don't make a mess with my hands. But I just apply a nice coating all over my skin. And what I really like about this, like I said, I've been using it for years, is it's self-warming, so you can feel it just nice and warm on the skin. It also has jojoba beads inside, little orange beads. You can't really tell in this video, but that helps to exfoliate the skin. And yeah, it's just really, really good, you guys. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 10-15 minutes, and then I am going to just wipe it on off, rinse, and you can use this anywhere from 1 to 3 times a week. I do also want to mention that this is not a part of my everyday routine. I don't do this every morning. This is a part of my nighttime routine on the days that I do decide to do it. Let's say on a Sunday night I want to do a mask, so this would be the routine. But I just didn't want to like do a whole separate night routine because it's literally the exact same thing that you'll see in this video minus the mask. So I'm just going to include it in this video. Also, this does retail for $17.99. I will have everything linked down below that I used, and also some of the other products that I do occasionally switch out because I don't use the exact same products every single time. So this is my skin all nice and detoxed, y'all. It just felt so nice and clean. But now it's time to moisturize because I know my skin is going to dry up if I don't. So I'm going to be using this product from the Glow Recipe, which they have amazing products. They're a bit pricey, y'all, but they have great products. The products are vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens, sulfates, silicones, etc. This is their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. And I have not been a big fan of serums, y'all. Some serums I've used have just been too harsh and my skin like really reacted badly to them. And then other serums have just been too oily and too heavy. You know, even though my skin is dry, like it can't take too much. So I really like this because it's an oil-free serum, you guys, and it just is the perfect primer before moisturizing. It really hydrates the skin. It reduces fine lines for healthy, youthful skin. It has plum, it has collagen, silk protein. I really, really like it, and it absorbs into my skin so nicely. So I do recommend this if you have issues just like I have with serums. Before you cry out, legs seems calm, but what lies beneath is like a story not yet complete. These times are for you. Alright, y'all, time to really moisturize. These have been some of my favorite moisturizers. The Mielle Face Lotion has been my #1. And I do also like the Urban Hydration Castor and Shea for a nice light moisture. But these products from Glow Recipe, y'all. So I have the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This is amazing. I'll get more into it in just a second. It's for a nice dewy moisture and plumpness. And then I have the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, also from Glow Recipe. And this one I've actually used in the past, and it's amazing, so I'm glad I'm starting to use it again. And this is for calming and hydration, and I will be using both. You don't need both, but I'm using both. I've been using both, and I just love it. So if I forgot to mention, that serum does retail for $42, y'all. I know, expensive, I know, but a little bit goes a long way. Now this banana souffle smells amazing. It does retail for $22, so not too bad. A little bit of this goes a long way as well. It smells like banana. It's made with banana, chia seed, turmeric, which is great for those who want to, you know, even out their skin tone, which again, I do. And it's great for all skin types. It's calming, it's hydrating, super hydrating, even though it's lightweight, y'all. Like, it's so good. So now I'm using the Dewy Glow Plump Cream. This is like a gel cream. It's nice, lightweight. Retails for $39. But this just feels so good. Again, you don't need both of these, either or works, but I love using both because it definitely helps with moisture, with glow, hydration. I just love the way my skin looks and feels with both of these. This specifically helps to balance the skin, give you plump, glowy skin. It's made with plum and hyaluronic acid. It's just really, really great, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all see what the skin's looking like, and then we're gonna finish off this video. I just have a few more steps. Now next we gotta focus on these eyes. So I have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. This retails for $42, but I do like this Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. This is more affordable, you know, if you want another option. But the Glow Recipe one, it doesn't really have a smell, but it's nice, creamy. I love the glow that it gives my eye. It does help to moisturize, brighten, helps with fine lines and depuffing, and it's also made with avocado and retinol. I don't feel like I have like super puffy eyes or super dark eyes, but I did start using this about a year ago. Eye creams, I should say, just to like help prevent, because you know I want to stay nice and young and youthful looking for a long time, y'all. So if I can prevent anything, you know, I'm gonna try. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub this in. So last but not least, I'm using my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir on my eyebrows. I have sparse eyebrows just because I'm constantly filling them in, constantly wiping the eyebrow pencil off, so it rips some of my hairs away. So I just like to put this on because it does have not only, you know, the jojoba oil, peppermint, all that stuff. It has castor, which is great for thickening and just helping to grow in hair, promoting hair growth. So then I do just kind of dab it off because I don't want to get any oil onto my skin or anything. I don't want to clog no pores. I just want to focus it on the eyebrows. And then that is the finished, you know, my finished routine, y'all. I know it might seem like a lot. I typically do this whole thing when I'm trying to be extra, but if I'm being simple every day, I might just use the cleanser, the toner, the serum, and one moisturizer and eye cream. So you can mix and match, y'all. But this is my skincare routine. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in another one.